Well, hello and welcome back. I know, it's actually time for Strixhaven, yeah, but I unfortunately still have 3 packs of Kaldheim. I'm still missing a few cards, but with Strixhaven being dropped this weekend, I'm going to go ahead and, what's the word I'm looking for? Move on to Strixhaven and start moving away from the Kaldheim. It was a good set. It was fun, but you know, come on, it's time to move on. All right, so 1, 2. This should be the rare. So yeah, gonna move on to the Strixhaven School of Mages. Ooh, this one's gonna have a foil in it. But let's get some Kaldheim cards going here. Strategic Planning, Dwarven Reinforcements, Village Rites, Notvold Recluse, Raven Wings, Withercrown, Master Scald, Tuskeri Firewalker, Giant Ox, Giant's Amulet, Furja, Judge of Valor, and Skimfar Shadow Mage. Been watching some of the videos on the new set. I think the commander decks are really nice. I'm going to be buying one of those. Shh, don't tell the wife. Probably get the whatchamacallit, Strix, or the Silver Quill, just because I like the Silver Quill cards. Alright, Iron Verdict, Depart the Realm, Raise the Draugr, Scorn Effigy, Snakeskin Veil, Battlefield Raptor, Karfell Harbinger, Volt Robber, Axgard Braggart. Hey, there's Finn the Fangbearer. Maja, Bredatard Protector. And Frenzied Raider. I don't think I actually have that one. I might. Whenever I activate the boost ability in 1/1 counter Frenzied Raider. Yeah, I do have that one. I know, like, I still don't have Loki. Wish I had Loki, but whatever. It happens. If I had Loki here, it would be there, but it's not. Okay. But yeah, I think I'm going to move away from I will be moving away from Kaldheim, going into the Strixhaven set. I've liked a lot of these new cards with the Strixhaven. I think that they're really good. Well, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, get notifications, and leave me a comment down below. Very much appreciate it. And I think your name is Reese. If you send me your email, send it to, what is it called? What is my email? I always forget my email. Goliath4056@yahoo.com. So I'll say it again. Goliath4056@yahoo.com. Send me your email, Reese. And you know what I'll be sending you. Hailstorm Valkyrie. Ooh, there's a nice one. Kudor Doomscourge. And Avalanche Caller. Alright, so rares and foils are Giant's Amulet. That's kind of cool. Giant's Amulet and foil. Righteous Valkyrie. 2 and a white. Whenever another angel or cleric enters the battlefield under your control, you gain life equal to the creature's toughness. As long as you have at least 7 life more than your starting life total, creatures you control get +2/+2. The Bears of Litjura. Create a 2/2 blue shapeshifter creature token with Changeling. Number 2, any number of target shapeshifter creatures you control have base power toughness 4/4. And then choose up to 1 target creature or planeswalker. Each creature with power 4 or greater you control deals damage equal to the power of that permanent. Ooh, snow-covered swamp. And, hey, there you go. Saruf, Realm Eater. That one's actually kind of cool. I didn't have it in this one, so that's kind of cool. I like that. Well, thanks for paying attention. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see... Oh, and there you are. Keep toying with me. And I'll see you later.